Hi there guys, so today is another review of what's inside this little package, so let's dig in. So there we are. So my invoice. Don't need that. So this is the 1/35th scale Marder 1A3 from Revell. So let's open it up, see what's inside. Right, so straight on, let's go to the instruction and see what it is. So we've got this little cable. Interesting. So this is the new type of instruction from Revell, which apparently is colored, and it's got nice instructions. Really nice. So here are the paints, all of them are in Revell numbers. We can find a workaround for that. So only 2 sprues. There we are. 3 sprues and a clear one, and lower and upper 4. So we start with wheels as usual, and then move to lower hull and the suspension, then the front and back, and the upper hull with tracks, then the side armor. Yeah. And go to the back. Very nice details on the front hull. And then we move to the back, which seems to be a hatch. And then, so the wire seems to be for the antennas. Very nice. And there's the turret. And yeah, a few steps of the turret. More the details of the anti-aircraft missile, some cables, and the painting. So 4 Panzer Grenadier Battalion 1112 Reagan from 2016. So this armor is currently working for German army, which is really nice. And then the second camo, which is quite similar to the first one. Okay, so let's see all the parts. Nice, lower and upper hull. Really nice details. Let's get that closer. Yeah, really nice details. Looks like the anti-slip parts. Not much of a flash now. There's a bit of a flash. Nice. And then the clear parts there. And the lower hull also really nice. So how it comes together. Right, this is how it goes, and then you probably something like that. Okay, so the tracks Oh, really nicely detailed. Strokes. And yeah. Okay. This little bag. So polycaps for the wheels, and then first row is wheels and the side plates. A bit of a flash, but apart from that, the details are quite nice. Next is the turret and all those details for the lower and upper hull, and masking net, which is really nicely detailed. And then got the back and the anti-aircraft missile and more details. And a missing piece. Well, okay. Yeah, really nice kit. Really looking forward to complete it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.